best ways to stay organized in Google Drive is to develop a folder system. This way, your files can be categorized in an easy-to-locate format. There are many different formats that you could use when creating folders. Some might find it helpful to organize your files by year, while others might find it helpful to organize by file type or another method. As long as your system works best for you, that is what is important. In this example, I'm going to be organizing my files by year. To create a folder in your Google Drive account, select New. And then choose New Folder. From here, you can type the name of your folder that you wish to create. I'll type 2024 in this example. Let's say we have a folder, but we want to organize files within it further. In this case, we can create a subfolder. To create a subfolder, go inside the folder that you created and follow the same steps that we covered previously. In this example, I'll add a subfolder to my 2024 folder, and I'll name it 2024 Training Materials. After you've created your folders, you should be ready to place your files within them. To do so, find the files that are owned by you by selecting My Drive on the left menu. Then you can do one of the following. You can drag and drop a file into a folder, or you can select the file and choose the folder icon at the top. Once selected, you can choose which folder or subfolder the file should belong in. You may notice that you were unable to move a file that was shared with you by another person into one of your folders. This is because you do not own the file, so you cannot insert it into your drive. However, you can create a shortcut to that file that can live within your drive, making it easier for you to find. Keep in mind, however, that shortcuts are not duplicates, and that file is still owned by the original owner. To make a shortcut, click the ascending dots next to the file that was shared with you. Then select Organize. Then choose Add Shortcut. From here, you can choose the folder that this shortcut will belong in. To share a folder, subfolder, or file, click on what you would like to share and select the Share icon at the top of the screen. Then you can choose the specific individuals you wish to share the files with. But you can also give general access to the file as well to multiple people at once. For example, you can allow all Gmail users with a link to what you are sharing to have access, or you can restrict it to SBU users. If the file or folder is meant to be shared with individuals, you can leave this set to restricted, and only the individuals you have typed in will have access to the file or folder. By default, you will notice that those given access will be given editor access. This means that they have access to change whatever you are sharing with them. By clicking on the Editor drop-down, you can choose if these individuals should instead have viewing status, which allows them to only view what you are sharing, or commenting access, where it allows them to insert comments on what you are sharing without changing anything to the file itself. When finished, select Send. Please note that if you are sharing a folder, then those you share the folder with will be given access to all the subfolders and files within them. Thank you for watching. For more Google Drive related content, please subscribe to our channel.